go. There's a good view, you guys. Oh, look at that. Nice clear shot. That's definitely not the shed, the snake that left the shed, though. This one's considerably smaller. Oh, yeah. Not exactly happy that I took her out of her territory. Look at that, though. Almost got like a green tinge. It's perfect for ground. Blends right in. Look at that face. Isn't that a cute face? Look at that face. No, that's definitely not it. That one's not very long. Oh, there's a good view of you. Come on, focus. There we go. Now we can see you. Here, let's get you over here where I can focus on you. You can see it's not a very big one. And it has a stripe.